Congratulations and welcome to Bay East. I'm Frank Quismorio, 2019 Bay East Rookie of the Year. I've been a realtor for just a little over 2 years, and if I could give any advice to someone starting out as a new realtor, I would get on the Bay East website and look into the new member resources page. You may be feeling overwhelmed with so much information coming at you from everywhere. I found that this website offers a good summary of items to break many aspects of the job out, such as 10 things to do today, classes to sign up for, and training videos are just a few of the offerings. It's a great overview of what resources you have at your fingertips. I also recommend attending a marketing meeting in your area and get a feel for what's happening in your real estate market. You may garner information that's not necessarily available on the internet, but information from the people that are actually experiencing it firsthand. It's also a great opportunity to meet other realtors and affiliates that may become great resources for you as you develop your team. And lastly, after getting some real estate experience under your belt, try joining a Bay East committee. You will meet so many other people that will enhance your career. I'm very grateful that I did.